original swivel lock pin for this Prentiss Vise, and it had broken off right about here years ago. So there was no portion left for the knob to attach to, which would allow you to pull this up and swivel the vise. So the owner of this vise wanted me to make a new one and also repair the original. So this is the original, and what I did was I machined down the end of it perfectly square, and the other, I machined down a piece of steel that was the same diameter, and I TIG welded them together, and then remachined this down to match what the original would have been. And then I also made a new one. So this is the new one. On this one, I actually measured and took dimensions off of the physical vise and the swivel base. So the dimensions on this are actually a little bit different than the original, but they fit the swivel base much more snugly than the original because the dimensions were taken off of the swivel base itself. So both of these ready to go. This fits on, and once these pieces are installed in the vise, whichever one he chooses, then this piece here is heated up and peened over to hold this in place. So whichever one we go with slides into the base, up through the spring and out the top, allowing the plunger action. So that's that.